Widespread wet weather is expected to roll in late Saturday night into early Sunday morning, with temperatures hovering right around the freezing mark. A brief period of wintry mix is possible, mainly between about midnight to 2 a.m. That is quickly going to melt away and turn to all rain. A brief icing may be possible northwest of Toledo, so if you do have plans to head out late this evening and overnight, keep in mind a few slick bridges and overpasses possible. Otherwise, it is going to be just wet by the time you wake up Sunday morning. Temperatures are hovering right around the freezing mark. 33 in the Toledo metro. You'll notice it is a bit cooler north and west in locations such as Hillsdale. Dry weather is expected to continue through about 11 p.m. to midnight before that wet weather rolls on through. We're starting to see rain move into Indiana and Illinois as well. And up near Chicago, that pink color shows you a period of wintry mix and freezing drizzle on the northern side of this system. That is just barely going to clip our southern Michigan counties and far extreme northwest Ohio. We do have winter weather advisories that are in effect, not for the Toledo metro, but areas from Adrian down towards Bryan and Hillsdale. Those purple boxes show you the winter weather advisories, and those are in effect for Hillsdale, Lenawee, and Williams counties. And that's just for a couple brief hours of icing before conditions quickly turn wet and any slick spots melt away. If you are hitting the roads late tonight, midnight could feature a few isolated slick spots. We always highlight those bridges and overpasses, as well as untreated roadways. Even your driveway and sidewalk could have a few icy spots. By tomorrow morning, above freezing. When you wake up Sunday morning for that walk, perhaps heading to church, getting some errands done, it is just going to be plain old wet. It's going to be one of those nights where temperatures actually rise overnight. So by daybreak Sunday, we're going to be close to 40 degrees. A few isolated showers possible throughout the day, but no slippery spots expected, with temperatures that will be well above freezing. Hour by hour forecast. You'll notice that little patch of pink north and west. That shows you where a bit of freezing drizzle is possible. Again, that could impact areas from Fulton County up towards Lenawee and Williams County as well. As we set the clock into motion, just rainfall overnight tonight with temperatures well above freezing. We do get a brief lull in the rainfall Sunday afternoon as those showers push on off to the east. It's going to be a very mild feeling day with temperatures in the mid 40s. So if you head outside during the afternoon, you might actually be able to enjoy a really nice window of dry weather where you can capitalize on those warm temps. Now Monday morning, another system comes on through. We are expecting additional damp conditions throughout the day on Monday. A very warm, windy, and rainy start to the week. So how much rain can you expect? This is just Sunday's rainfall totals. We're expecting anywhere from ½ an inch to up to 3/4 of an inch, and this computer model showing about 6/10 for the Toledo metro. But when you factor in Monday as well, amounts over an inch are possible. Although we're not expecting any flooding because we don't have any snow cover, there still could be a bit of mud and puddles as a result. When that system initially comes in, temperatures are going to be hovering right around the freezing mark, but by daybreak Sunday, we are well above freezing, quickly melting away any ice accretion. Sunday's high temperature going to be in the mid 40s, a rainy morning with a milder feel, south winds at 5 to 15 miles per hour. Again, the afternoon might actually feel quite nice if you can dodge those rain showers. Weather impacts overnight tonight. A few slick spots are possible. We'll have the latest on the potential for some wintry mix coming up at 11 on WTOL 11. Sunday starts off with a rainy morning, and heading towards your Monday, another wet day with very mild conditions expected. Now overall, the long range outlook heading towards mid to late December does feature the return of some milder conditions. So I hate to say it, the white Christmas chances are definitely on a declining trend as we officially kick off the winter season next weekend. First day of winter is Saturday. Could see a few flurries. It is going to briefly cool on off, but our forecast actually takes us through Christmas Eve, and temperatures are going to be close to the 40-degree mark by Christmas Eve. Be sure to stay tuned to that WTOL 11 weather forecast, because tomorrow you are going to have a first look at that Christmas forecast. We'll have the latest on air and always streaming on WTOL 11+.